Good morning, students. Today we will start with the new exercise of quadratic equation. The new exercise is 4.3, and today the concept we discussed, that is quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now what is d? D means discriminant. Now the formula of d is b square minus 4ac. We have to find the roots. Roots means we have to find the values of x. As in the previous exercise, we already find the roots by factorization methods. Now we will find the roots by quadratic formula. The formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. D is b square minus 4ac. And what is the value of a? The value of a is coefficient of x square. For example, in this question, the value of a is 9. What is the value of b? The coefficient of x, that is minus 15. The value of c is always the number, that is 6. C equals to 6. Now, important points. First of all, if d equals to 0, if the value of d, that is b square minus 4ac, equals to 0, it means then the roots are equal. Roots means the values of x. Equal means if the value of x is 3, then other value is also x equals to 3. So the roots are equal. If d is greater than 0, then the roots are real. Third, if d is less than 0, means if the value of d becomes in the negative form, then the roots are imaginary. So in third case we can't find the roots if the value of d is less than 0. So we can find the roots if d equals to 0 and if d is greater than 0. Now for example, this is the first question. 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equals to 0. So a equals to 9, b equals to minus 15, c equals to 6. So first of all we will find b, that is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac minus 225 minus 9 4s are 36. 36 into 6, 144. Now 220 minus 144 is 18. That is 81. So the value of d is 81, which is greater than 0. So we can write the roots are real. Now the quadratic formula. Now this is the quadratic formula. Put the values. Minus, what is the value of b? Minus 15. What is the value of d? Root. The value of d is 81. 2. What is the value of a? 9. So x equals to minus minus plus 15 plus minus. What is the square root of 81? That is 9 upon 18. So now we will take the positive sign. X equals to 15 plus 9, that is 24 by. Now we will take the negative sign. 15 minus 9. Now 15 minus 9 is 6 upon 18. So the one value is 3, the one value is 1 by 3. So x equals to 3 and 1 by 3. Sorry, यहाँ पर 18 है. So ये कट जाएगा 4 पे और ये कट जाएगा 3 पे. So the roots are 4/3 and 1/3. So I just repeat the whole concept. We will find the roots of the equation. Roots means we have to find the values of x by quadratic formula. The first quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. This is a formula. A is the coefficient of x square, the b is coefficient of x, the c is the number. What is d? D means discriminant. The value of d is b square minus 4ac. Now if d equals to 0, then the roots are equal. If d is greater than 0, then the roots are real. If d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. So in third case, we can't find the roots if the value of d is less than 0. But in these first two cases, we can find it's possible to find the further roots of given equation. Now this is a question. 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equals to 0. The coefficient of x square is 9, that is a. The coefficient of x is minus 15, that is the value of b, and the number, that is c, equals to 6. Now we will find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, a, c. We will get the value 81, which is greater than 0. Which is greater than 0. Now the roots are real. Now x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. This is a quadratic formula. We just put the value of a, b and d. By putting the value, we get the value 15 plus minus 9 upon 8. First of all, we will take the positive sign. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9 is 24 upon 18. Then we will take negative sign. 15 minus 9, that is 6 upon 18. By cutting, we will find the two roots, that is 4 upon 3 and 1/3. So this is a basic question related to the concept quadratic formula. Now we shift to the second question. So the second question is, second question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. अब यहां पर जो a की वैल्यू है वो है जो x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट है 2, b की वैल्यू जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है -5, जो c की वैल्यू है वो है नंबर. नाउ वी विल फाइंड d, that is b square minus 4ac. Now what is the value of b minus 5 square minus 4ac? So d equals to 25 minus 4 to the 8 is 24. Now the value of d is 1. So the value of d is again greater than 0 because the value of d is 1 and 1 is greater than 0. So the roots are real. Now we will apply the quadratic formula. Now what is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now x equals to minus b. What is minus b? Minus 5 plus minus root d upon 2a. X equals to 5 plus minus 1 upon 4. So first of all we will take positive sign, that is 6 upon 4. Then we will take negative sign, that is 4 upon 4. Cancel out. 3 upon 2 cancel out 1. So the values of x are, the roots of quadratic equation are 3 upon 2 and 1. So this is example number second. एक बात याद रखनी है, ये एक्सरसाइज है 4.3. यहां पर एक मेथड दिया है इन्होंने. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में इन्होंने कहा है सॉल्व कीजिए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को बाय कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड. ये सिलेबस में हमारे नहीं है, हमारे सिलेबस में सिर्फ दो मेथड्स हैं. फर्स्ट मेथड फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड जो हम कर चुके हैं. सेकंड मेथड है क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं। सो जो तीसरा मेथड है बाय कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड वो सिलेबस में नहीं है। सो इन्होंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो 4.3 का कहा है वो उस मेथड से करने को कहा है, लेकिन हम वो मेथड नहीं करेंगे, हम अप्लाई करेंगे क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला। सो ये क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला से करना है 4.3 फर्स्ट पार्ट। ओके, नाउ वी विल शिफ्ट टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट पार्ट एक्सरसाइज 4.3। So the first question is exercise 4.3, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. 2x square minus 7x. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. The value of a is 2. The value of b is minus 7, the value of c is 3. Now we will find the d, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. Put the values b square minus 4ac. So d equals to 49, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the value of d is 25. Now again, the value of d is greater than 0. So the roots are real. If the roots are real, then we apply the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now put the values of b, that is minus 7. What is the value of d? That is 25 upon 2a. The value of a is 2. Now x equals to 7 plus minus, the square root of 25 is 5. 2 2s are 4. Now we will take first of all the positive sign, 7 plus 5. That is 12 upon 4, 7 minus 5. That is 2 upon 4. Cancel out, x equals to 3. Cancel out 1 by 2. So again, this is the first question, first part. We just find the roots of equation, that is 3 and half. Now the question number 3rd. Second question and fourth question is homework. So the third part is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to 4, b equals to 4 root 3, c equals to 3. So d equals to b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. So 16 into 3 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 into 3 48. So d equals to 48 minus 48, which is 0. Now if d equals to 0, roots are equal. Now again, the quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Now x equals to minus, what is the value of b? The value of b is 4 root 3. The value of d is 0. 2. The value of a is 4. Now x equals to minus 4 root 3 upon 8. Cancel out, x equals to minus root 3 upon 2. If one value of x equals to minus root 3 by 2, obviously the another value of x is also minus root 3 by 2, because the roots are equal. Both the values of x will be equal. So if the one value of x is minus root 3 by 2, the another value of x is also minus root 3 by 2. So this is the basic concept of quadratic formula. Now homework. What is the homework? Please note it down. The homework होमवर्क इज एक्सरसाइज 4.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट के सेकंड पार्ट और थर्ड पार्ट दोनों करने हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट के, और एक्सरसाइज 4.4 के क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट कंप्लीट 4 पार्ट्स। ये आपका होमवर्क है, प्लीज इसे नोट कर लीजिए। सबसे पहले एक्सरसाइज 4.3 के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के सेकंड और फोर्थ पार्ट है, सेकंड और फोर्थ पार्ट है, और जो एक्सरसाइज 4.4 है उसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट है, जिसके 4 पार्ट्स है। ये आपका होमवर्क है। ये क्वेश्चन सारे क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला के रिलेटेड है।